Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're recreating the iconic laser sight aiming system from classic Resident Evil games. All inside Unreal Engine 5. No reticle, no HUD, just a clean cinematic laser that follows your weapon perfectly. Let's dive in. Open the first-person blueprint. We will add a laser to the weapon here. We can add it here. We need to access the weapon to create an attach point. Yes, here it is. Now let's go to the skeleton tab. There are already attach points. I will use the one on the barrel. We are adding a static mesh as a child to the weapon. I will use a cylinder as the shape. Let's position it and adjust its size. I will reduce the X and Y axes significantly. I will increase the Z axis significantly. Now we need to create a material for the laser. We select translucent as the blend mode. If we press 3 on the keyboard and left click, it will bring up a node where we can select a color. We select red from here. However, I did not see the brightness I wanted. I need to multiply the red value by a large number to increase the brightness. For example, 1000. For opacity, if we press the 1 key on the keyboard and left click, it will bring up a node where we can enter a constant value. Let's enter the opacity value here. Now let's assign the material we created to the laser. I think it looks pretty good. But the laser's collision is enabled, so let's disable it. With the laser selected, change the collision setting to no collision in the panel on the right. The laser shouldn't always be on, so let's set up an on-off button. Go to the event graph and first disable the laser's visibility. I want it to turn on and off when I right-click the mouse. Let's take the laser and connect it to the set visibility node. Before that, let's add a flip-flop node to enable the on-off function. Let's set the visibility to false at the B output. If we want, we can also add a sound. I downloaded a similar sound from freesound.org and I'll use that. If you're finding value in these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content. You can also ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.